One, construction of our 4-line or wider roads through Dhansiri for Dhansiri to Dimapur Airport. This is an important 4-line road. And another construction of highway from Difu to West Karbi Anglong, Meghalaya border via Amret. I therefore request you to kindly take initiative for yearly sanction and execution of the projects and timely release of our fund for the above mentioned project, so that the authority of the Karbi Autonomous Council can serve the people in our most efficient way and also implement project immediately in the interest of our all-round development of autonomous district. Further, the status of national highway in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong is included as in Nature 3 and the list of various schemes proposed by elected representative and member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council are appended as in Nature 4 for your consider. Honorable Minister, sir, on behalf of the Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, we need increase of annual budget because now we got only 400 crores for all-round development. So we need increase at least 5,000 crores for all-round development in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. So on behalf of West Karbi Anglong and Karbi Anglong, I like to request we need direct funding from central government to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So thank you to all and conclude my speech. Tado Joy Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your
lang ligan dia lam
we have reached the
pohon sige bang jen ni ta na bitum chong hoi do na lang ek tha apna ju ek tha
Honorable Union Minister of States, Transport, Roadways and Highways, also the Minister of Corporate Affairs, Shri Harsh Malhotra, sir, to address the gathering. Thank you.
Minister lang lilam thani ko jo
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका मंच पर उपस्थित काउंसिल के सीएम तुलीराम जी, यहाँ के बहुत यशस्वी सांसद अमर सिंह जी,